Deputy President William Ruto has restated his intention of creating an economic model that focuses on a bottom-up approach. In a statement on his Twitter page after a three-day retreat with MPs from Mount Kenya, the Deputy President also says he has enlisted the services of professionals to enhance his economic blueprint. Once again, our Kennedy Mureithi has more.
For the last 3 days, Deputy President William Ruto heeded to calls by a committee of 16 MPs representing Mount Kenya's 11 counties to discuss what they see as the region's dwindling economic fortunes. Here, the DP was flanked by a former ally of ODM leader Raila Odinga, economist David Ndii, who now has a seat at the table of the DP's think tank. In a statement on his Twitter page Sunday afternoon, DP Ruto said he engaged the MPs on his economic model that focuses on the common mwananchi. The tweet says this process will be comprehensive, people-centered, time-sensitive and innovative. We will tap into the huge reservoir of knowledge, talent and expertise available to inform our policy process with knowledge that is grounded in our economic reality. The meeting with Mount Kenya MPs comes at a time they have been trying to cement their position in the succession matrix, especially now that President Uhuru Kenyatta has given all indications he was keen on remaining as the region's supremo.
Our people have been impoverished, millions of livelihoods destroyed. Many of our traders and business people have deliberately been driven into poverty through government policies coupled with unprecedented high-handedness.
The DP in his statement also says, and I quote, "The engagement will progressively cover all counties, all regions and all sectors of the economy, with consultation forums planned with Western, Northern, the Coast, Western, Nairobi, Eastern, Nyanza and the Rift Valley regions." But in a rejoinder, Nyeri Town MP Ngonjiri Wambogo dismissed the Masai Mara meeting as inconsequential. In the post he says, and I quote, "I genuinely appreciate the fact that the Deputy President has finally accepted that politics is about regional interests. It is unfortunate that in regard to Mount Kenya, he has chosen to engage people who have already declared they represent his political interests in the region, rather than meet with independent leaders who have not been bought into his politics. Hopefully, he will learn that there is a difference between sending his people to sell him in Mount Kenya and Mount Kenya sending people to speak to him about their interests. Right now, he is doing the former." In his economic revival plan, the DP has also tapped the services of former Central Bank Governor Njuguna Ndung'u and a host of former President Mwai Kibaki-era economists as he hopes to campaign on an economic revival platform.
We want to begin from the trajectory that Mwai Kibaki left. We are not saying that the first time the government never did anything. They did well up to a certain point, then veered off the tracks.
Kennedy Mureithi,